Dear friends, let us have a speedy look at what we have learned yesterday. We have seen three types of adjectives. First one, which has three different forms in the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. And the second type, which has only one form, it cannot be converted into comparative or superlative. And the third type, which has only one form, but we can make the comparative degree with the help of more and the superlative degree with the help of most. So we have seen that adjectives have three forms, some do not have three forms, and so we shall learn about how they can be used in sentences. Dear friends, we have been going on learning the degree of adjectives for the last two classes. Now we are going to discuss something more. In the last class, we have seen that an adjective can have three forms, that is called as three degrees. We have seen an adjective, the base form, the original form is the positive degree, the converted form is the comparative degree, and again the superlative degree. In this way, we have got three different forms of an adjective. And again we have seen that some adjectives do not have three forms. They exist only in the positive form only, positive degree only. That means they don't have the comparative degree and they don't have the superlative degrees. Now again we have seen that there are some more adjectives. They also exist only in the positive degree, but if they like or if they want to be changed into comparative degree or and superlative degree, then they can get the help of one special word, that is more and most. They can be converted into comparative degree by using more and by adding most for the superlative degree. Now let us see today, is it correct to say the following three expressions? One is more than. Can we say more than? Is it correct? Again, can we write or can we use more beautiful than? Is it correct? It is correct or wrong, we have to decide. Now let us see more taller than. Is it correct? Out of these three, which one is correct, or which ones are correct, or which one is the wrong one? So we have to be very sure about what we are writing or what we are saying when we compare the adjectives from one to the other degree or to the superlative degree. Now let us see, there is an adjective which is called as much. It has more in the comparative degree. More is the comparative degree of much and most is the superlative degree. There is an adjective which is called as many. Again, more is the comparative degree of many. That means much and many both have more as comparative degrees, and we use than with more than, and most is the superlative degree. Now let us see more than, and let us go to the first expression, more than. So is it correct or not? In this way we can say that this expression is correct. Now let us come to the other point. Can we say more beautiful than? More is there, than is there. Beautiful is the base form of an adjective. That means beautiful doesn't have three forms. If it wants to be converted into comparative and superlative, it has to take the help of more, and in the superlative degree it has to take the help of most. That means more beautiful than, since this adjective doesn't have three forms, we can get the help of more, and therefore this also is to be correct. Then let us see the third expression, more taller than. Is it correct or not? Than is there, more is there, taller is there. Now we have to find out what is correct. See, more is the comparative degree of much. That means more can come to help the adjective to make the comparative degree. But we have to see this original adjective, it is written as taller. Taller itself is a comparative degree. It is the comparative degree of tall, and the superlative degree is tallest. In that case, we are repeating two comparative forms. We have no right to repeat two comparative forms, therefore, more, taller will be marked as a wrong usage. Now we are very acquainted with these three forms. Much, more itself is comparative, therefore more cannot help taller, therefore we cannot say more taller than, and if it wants to be written as correct sentence, then we have to delete this more. Then we can call it as correct. But as long as more is there, we cannot call it as a correct expression. Now let us see tall. Tall is the positive degree, taller is the comparative degree, and the tallest is the superlative degree. Now let us see an example. He has more brothers than sisters. His brothers are more intelligent than his sisters. Now it is something is said about some person, his brothers and sisters. See the first one. He has more brothers. We can't say and stop the sentence here. We have to compare. So than is used and then comes the next word which is compared with this one. So more brothers than sisters, it is in the comparative degree. His brothers are more intelligent than his sisters. Here more than comparative degree. Brothers is noun, this is not an adjective. More intelligent than. More is for comparative degree and than is also there, and intelligent is the adjective which cannot be changed into comparative. If we want it to be used in the comparative degree, we have to get the help of more. So these two sentences are correct. Let us see more examples.